How to know who viewed your profile on Twitter. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to know who viewed your profile on Twitter. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the source menu, simply search for Twitter. After that, click on the application itself. Scroll down a bit, then click on App Support. Then here simply click on Email, and then wait until you will be redirected to the Gmail application. Then here simply write, how do I know who viewed my profile? Then simply click on send button on the top right corner. Then after sending it, within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team Twitter will reach out to you and give answers to your questions. Then they will make easy, and you will also know that how to know who viewed your profile on Twitter. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.